Hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, on this episode, I'm going to be giving you a very interesting practical topic, and that is your annual returns. Yes, annual returns. So let's dive right into it and let's know exactly what is annual return, who should file an annual return, and when should you file an annual return. Yes, stay tuned and go nowhere. My name remains Adeyemi Adeola, and you can call me Eliza. So what is an annual return? Annual return is that filing that you file to CAC. Now, when I mean CAC, I mean the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria. So that means that this particular topic is particularly to my Nigerian holders. Yes, my Nigerian holders. Yeah. So annual returns is that filing that a business person files to CAC, the Corporate Affairs Commission, stating that they are still active, we are still in business, and we are still carrying on business. Yeah. So who can file an annual return? Annual return is filed by business persons, by a registered business. So if your business is not registered, if your business is not incorporated, you have no business filing annual returns at all. No business at all. So a business name, a registered business name, a registered company, registered NGO, all registered corporate organizations, corporate bodies with CAC must file an annual return yearly, every year with CAC. Your annual return is telling CAC that we are in business, and is also telling CAC that okay, last year we added new directors. These are the new directors that are in our company now. You are updating CAC about your company affairs. So that's exactly what it is. It is you updating CAC that last year we are this, now we are that. Our annual return is this last year, our annual return is this year. It is just you telling CAC that you are active, and then so that also so that your name and your corporate organization and your corporate structure can still maintain registry with CAC. Yes. So when can you file your annual return? Annual return is filed annually. That's why it is called annual return. Any time of the year, annually. However, there is a deadline. You must file your annual return before June 30th. So that, because there's a penalty for late filing, you can file it anytime, but once it is becoming June 30th, you have to file for penalty. So from January to June 29th, you pay the normal fee for filing, but once it is June 30th, you have to pay for late filing. Yes, late filing of your annual returns. That is when CAC will tell you that, oh, you're filing late. You can file, but you are filing late, and you have to pay for that penalty for filing late. Yes. So what are the benefits of annual returns, of filing your annual returns? But wait, before you go any further, if you have any issues, any corporate issues, and if you want to register your business, or probably you've registered it and you want to do post incorporation services, and you want to do your tax, you want to import and you need licenses, you want to add to the object of your business, or you want to register anew, we are here for you. Simply contact us, and of course we'll be dropping our email on the comment section. You can get across to us from any social media. You can get across to us through our email as well, and phone number for any of your corporate services. Yes, don't go anywhere. So what exactly is the benefits of registering your business, of filing what is the benefits of filing your annual returns? The benefits are much, but anyway, filing your annual return doesn't save you from yearly penalties. That is first thing you should know. If you don't file your annual returns at the time you ought to file, you are going to pay we are going to pay for penalties. So the benefits of filing your annual returns as a company is that your company registry is maintained, the status is active with CAC. with CS, with the Corporate Affairs Commission, you have an active status with CS. That is one of the benefits. It helps to keep your company or entity, the name with which you register your business, is kept safe. Nobody can tamper with it because you are active. So nobody can go ahead and say, we want to register your name. It's not possible. CAC will not allow it because they know that you are active and your company is in business, so it will not be allowed. It saves you time when you register, when you file your annual return. It saves you time because anybody can just search, do a corporate search, and then see that you are in business, your company is active. Any investor or people that are interested in your company might just go through company to the CAC search, and then everything will be there. Your company is active, the nearest director that is added to your company, and all that is there. So that is one of the benefits. You don't have to start telling anybody words of mouth, we change the letters or we do that. Just so we'll do a corporate search of us. We are registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission, and of course they will get all they need. That is one of the benefits of you filing your annual returns. Also, the regular payment of annual returns is usually a yardstick for most contracts. Some contractors, some investors, some grants, we actually want you to give them an evidence of your up-to-date annual returns. So that is why you ought to file your annual returns annually every year. If you have not done that, there is no cause for alarm. Just contact us. We will do that for you. And also, if you've not filed your annual returns for years, contact us as well. My email will be there for you to reach out to us. We help you file your annual returns up to date. No more dilly-dallying, no more waiting, no more saying, oh, I'm going to do it later, we are going to file it. Why not just file it now and then let it all be done? Okay, it also gives you an edge when assessing government loans. Yes, when you're assessing government loans, grants, there is always a clause for you to bring your status, to bring your company status, and one of it is that your annual returns must be up to date. So what actually is the consequences of non-compliance? If you don't comply with the filing of annual returns, your company may be delisted if you fail to do so for several years. For years upon years, you did not file your annual returns. It will start accumulating. It will start accumulating, and once it starts accumulating and you probably felt reluctant to file it, your company may be delisted. Yeah, may be delisted from the Corporate Affairs Registry. So you don't want your company to get delisted for any reason at all. Also, if you fail, you are going to pay a fine. That is a penalty. Yes, you are going to pay a fine for non-paying, for inactiveness, for you to reactivate your company status and everything. If it gets deactivated, you might need to pay for reactivation. Yes. And also, you find it difficult to apply for government loan, because government loans, organizations that want to give you loan and want to give out grants will require that your status, that your annual returns be up to date. And annual returns is just like I said, telling the government, telling CAC that your business is active, and CAC in turn will tell any other person that require from it that this business that you are requiring from us is active, is not inactive. They are in business. Yes. And CAC carries out the listing exercise. So failure for you to file your annual return might get your company being delisted from the CAC registry. Yes. So anybody, like I said, any corporate body, as long as you are registered, whether as a business name, once you are registered with CAC, you have to file your annual returns. There is no out about it. You must file it. Yes. And of course, one very important thing to note is that annual returns is not tax. It's not tax. It's not like what someone is telling you is just tax. It's not tax at all. You're just telling CAC, like I said again, that we are active, we are in business, and then you file it telling if there's any changes at all, you include it. With this person is no more in our, it's not as if you are telling them, but you are listing out the active directors, in your business, and then you're also filing it according to your accounting year. So if your accounting year is between May to April, you file within that period. Any late filing, actually, we will still be able to file, but you're going to pay for penalty. Yeah, so it's best to pay within the time, pay when you ought to pay, so as to get the benefit and all, and so as not to get extra charges in whatsoever way. Once again, annual returns is not tax. Nobody is taxing anybody. CAC is not taxing. Where you pay tax is where you pay for your stamp duties, FRS, those are different things. LRS, state revenue, state taxation and all. Annual returns is not taxation. Annual return is saying that we are in business, we are active. In case anybody asks of us for review or do a corporate search, CAC, we are doing good. Yes, so you should file your annual return. And when should you file your annual return? As a new business, you file your annual returns 18 months after incorporation. Yes, 18 months after incorporation. So if you're a new business, reach out to us. Let's see when was the last time you file your annual returns and when you'll be able to. But just for you to make an informed decision, you file your annual returns 18 months after incorporation. So thank you for coming to my talk. Thank you for coming to this YouTube channel. I hope you got value. In fact, I'm sure you got value, because even I got value. So I'm sure you did as well. So stay tuned to this YouTube channel and go nowhere. And remember to contact us. Don't forget to contact us for all your corporate services, post incorporation, pre-incorporation, for your contract review, everything. We got your back. Yeah, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for more. I love you.